Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to add an app shortcut to your desktop. Now let's start. You have some methods. The first method is the drag and drop from the start menu method. Second one is to create a shortcut manually. These are the two main methods we're going to focus on today. So let's start. When you want to use the drag and drop method, it's quite simple. Just open your start menu, locate the app. Let's say I want to use the calculator app. Drag it. Locate the app. Let's say I want to use Opera browser. Drag it out and drop it. And that's it. We've created a shortcut. It's as simple as that. So you drag it by pressing down your mouse left click button, and then you drop it by releasing the mouse button. It's as simple as that. Now the second way you can do it is by creating a shortcut manually. How? You right click on the desktop like this. So you right click on the desktop, then click on new, and then you click on shortcuts. Then you enter the location, that is the path to the app's executable file, or click browse. Let's just click browse for me, it's easier that way. Then I choose the app I want, Firefox, and then I click on OK, and then click on next. You can change the name if you want, and then click on finish. It's here. It's as simple as that. Hope you found the video helpful. So by following the steps, you can easily add app shortcuts to your desktop, making it more convenient to launch your favorite programs. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.